Yeah. You can make it red with tomato sauce. You put your tomato sauce. If you were, I don't like putting tomato sauce, to be honest. I'm gonna get it without color. Make sure. In French, the term in culinary art is the caramélisé. Caramélisé. But so we have that. We're gonna put the juice of that one. I am very tasty. I am very extra when it comes to cooking. That's something that I am passionate about. Decoration of my plate, my food. I like eating a tasty food and a good looking food. So we have that. We're gonna let it boil. I feel like I have to put some more water. I'm gonna put a little bit of water because I need sauce. So we're gonna let. If you want your sauce to be red, you can put tomato sauce, but I don't need any red sauce. So I'm going to taste it. Perfect. Not very tasty, not salty, not under salt. So we're going to put fish, the queen of cooking. So you can see. Now I'm gonna put my fish. Oh my god. You see. So I cook, baby. You want flavor? I'm a flavor girl for Haiti who likes everything to be flavor, just like my island. I'm a fashion girl from Paris. Anything needs to be smelling good and beautiful, fashion, just like Paris. So now I feel like I should put some onion. I put the onion too. So as you can see, the fish was pre-cooked, not